Dale again here with ATC, and we're going to show you one of our patio options, how to pull it out, put it back in. But one of the things that's unique, and you'll see, we build our own ramp door without wood. Almost every other toy hauler you look at will have a layer of wood in it, so their ramp doors aren't near as strong, but they can also rot. With that happens then, we build our own or have designed our own patio system, so we want to show you how to use that. All right, so now we've opened it up. We want to get up here and unhook these. For me, the easiest way is I just take the cables off. You have a little latch up here that you can open it up, take that out. So we're going to bring this one down here, and then you can just lift it up this side. You want to take this latch and put it in here, and then lock this little latch down right there. So that holds this side up. You do the same thing on the other side. All right, make sure it's secure, you're good to go. So now we're ready to pull the patio gates out. There's two little latches right down here. You want to get that one. I think it's easier if you hold that up, pull this one out, then do the next one, get that latch out of there, hold it up, and then pull that one out. So now we have these little bungee straps to just keep it tied together. You take those off, and we'll hang on to that for the next part. But then that'll allow this patio to pull out. It's just on wheels. It's nice and easy. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now once I've got that done, I can strap it up and go from there. So now we just want to make sure we don't lose these. We're putting them in here. This one for this side, this one for this side. Okay, then now I can walk around and hook each one of these into these levers here. See, this pops up. I can adjust this if it's not quite tight. I will say one thing, you also want to make sure your trailer's level. That'll make this a little bit easier, but there is some adjustment as far as getting these latches in. So there's, let me see, three on each side. Just hook that in. Hook the next one in. You can also go in from the underside if you want. So we get that side, then we'll walk around, get the other one. So now then we'll put the next part on. So several more parts. Now we got the railing out. We have a little door to keep kids out or keep kids from falling or patio, but this just simply drops in the pivots here. It's got a nice little latch that I can keep it closed or shut. And then from there, we're gonna work through putting the step together. So this is how it comes when you get it. Some people will leave the hand railing off, but you're gonna have to take these knobs here, take these off from each side. This is actually the hand railing. All right, so I'm gonna just lay this down for now. Then we can take the step. It has these little spring latches right here. So it'll come over here. You have some adjustment in the foot pads if you want, but it locks in. Feel that? I can't pull it out. So I got these for the latch. You also have adjustment in the legs if you want, but you want to make sure the foot pad's down so it's not digging into the ground on that. And then these will actually have pins in them right here. So that allows you to kind of pivot the step to the angle. You know, you can go too far and you feel like you're falling in, but depending on where you're at. And then you'll see each side here, there's different kind of pin adjustments to where you want to put it. So that, now it's safe, I can step on it. But then I also want to put the railing on the unit. And this will just drop into these slots here. This hole right here. So I'm trying to line that one up. It's hard to see. So I get this one in, tighten that down, take the next one. Okay, so we just got the last one in, tighten that up. Then last thing to do is put the cup holders in. We have two cup holders. They also work as braces to secure the corners. These are going to be stored in one of the cabinets, the bed. Just look around, but they should be wrapped up. Then these cup holders actually place right inside them. You just pop them on the corner. This also acts as a flagpole holder, so you got a nice little place to put a flag. Then same thing to the other side. We'll put these in. So I get two flags, preferably an ATC flag. Put them on there, and you're good to go. Your patio is all set up. you.